Unboxing the CMF Phone 1 is like unwrapping a tech treasure. Right out of the box, you can feel the premium build quality. The sleek design is not just eye-catching, it's engineered for performance. Let's dive into the specs. This phone boasts a lightning-fast processor that promises seamless multitasking and gaming. The display? Stunning. With vibrant colors and sharp resolution, it's a feast for the eyes. And check this out, the camera system is packed with features that will make your photos pop, even in low light. Plus, the battery life is impressive, ensuring you stay connected all day long. The software experience is smooth, with a user-friendly interface that makes navigation a breeze. Let's not forget about the accessories included, they really enhance the overall experience. This isn't just another phone, it's a powerhouse in the segment. The CMF Phone 1 is ready to redefine what we expect from our devices.